Hey everybody, happy Friday. Today is our vocabulary quiz, and then there's going to be a quick discussion question to work on, to answer and to respond to, I mean. So it should be a pretty laid back day. Use today to catch up on work that we've done earlier in the week, too, if you're behind on that. Before we start today, though, I want to just tell you a little bit about what I did yesterday. I went to the school to just clean out my room and everything so they could redo the floors and all this stuff, but it was just super weird being there without all of you and like just knowing that we're not going back this year and everything. And yeah, I was just sad. Kind of got emotional just like because all of you had a lot of you had your posters up from the identity maps and stuff. So it was just like, yeah, it was just weird seeing all of your stuff up there and like not being able to see all of you guys. But so, anyways, it was weird being there, and yeah, I miss actually seeing all of you. So just wanted to let you know. Um, so our learning objective for today. I can improve my vocabulary skills by learning the 9 words from the Langston Hughes biography and taking the vocabulary quiz. You should have been practicing those words already because the quiz is today. Before you do that, though, complete the Friday discussion. You can click this link or go in the Extended Flex Learning Week 5 folder. And remember to check back after you comment so that you can reply. Sometimes if you just post a comment and then never look back, you don't even see if people are responding to you, which has been happening. So post your comments or your response and then go back and check to see if people responded to you, and then you can respond to classmates and stuff too. So it's actually like a discussion. All right, then you're going to complete the vocabulary quiz on vocabulary.com. Only 9 questions. So once you feel comfortable with the 9 words, you can take the quiz. It is the same exact 9 words that you practiced on the practice assignment. And if you don't do well on it, you can always retake it. So I just have to unsubmit it for you, and I don't know you want to retake it until you tell me. So if you do poorly on it and want to redo it, just email me or send me a Schoology message. Okay? Besides that, just work on anything you haven't done from earlier this week. This link should work to get to the quiz. If you're still not signed up signed into the right class, it won't work. So let me know if you need help with that. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day. If we have a lot of people join office hours, we might play a game or something. So we'll kind of see how that goes. All right, everybody, take care and stay rad. And I'll see you in a little bit.